Hi and welcome to Vidtechy YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to permanently delete your YouTube channel. To do that, you need to log into your Gmail account and open YouTube. Once you're there, click your profile. Scroll down and click Settings. Once you click Settings, you need to click View or change your Google account settings here. Click Manage your data and privacy and scroll down. Go to the section called Download or Delete your data. You need to click on Delete a Google service under this. There are options here to delete your Gmail, Blogger, and YouTube accounts. When you click Delete, it'll ask if you want to hide your channel or permanently delete it. Once you click I want to permanently, select these options and then just verify the required details. After you click Delete account, verify the details. If you click Delete my content, it will permanently delete your YouTube channel. In this way, you can delete your YouTube account. Here's an example of deleting an account. This is my demo account. Once I click here, it will ask for delete. Click Delete and select these options. That's it. Click Delete my account. Here, verify the required details and click Delete my content. So your content is being deleted. In this way, you will be able to delete your YouTube channel from the YouTube platform. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more videos about YouTube marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel Vidtechy. Thanks for watching.